Hello class 7. In our last class we have started chapter 9 ForNext statement in QBASIC. So in last class what we have discussed that what is a loop? A task repeated again and again for a fixed number of times is known as a loop. A statement or more than one statement when it repeats for a fixed number of times it is known as a loop. In basic programming, we can perform a conditional repetitive type of flow by using counter method, ForNext loop, while when loop, and do while loop. So these are the four methods to create a loop. Like using counter, you can perform a conditional repetitive type of flow with the help of a counter as a variable. It is used to count the number of repetitions, and the execution of the program automatically stops as soon as it satisfies the required number. Like suppose if you want to print Don Bosco Academy 10 times by using the counter method, the CLS will clear the screen. C equal to 1, C is a counter, start print Don Bosco Academy is printed once, then C equal to C plus 1, C value becomes 2. If 2 less than 10, yes, then go to start. It will go to start again prints Don Bosco Academy. Now C equal to 2 plus 1, 3. 3 less than or equal to 10, yes. So like this, it reprints Don Bosco Academy for 10 times. And after printing 10 times, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 less than 10, no. 11 equal to 10, no. Condition false. So it comes to end. So all these things we have discussed in our last class. In today's class, we are going to discuss the ForNext loop. Now, what is the ForNext loop? For statement orders the computer as to how many times the process has to be repeated, and the next statement returns the control for iteration. Iteration means for the repetition, for the looping. The loop terminates as soon as the final value is reached. See what is syntax. Syntax is for variable name, initial value to final value, and statement 1, statement 3, we can have as many as statement you want, and the next and same variable name. You see, this counting initial value starts with the 1 to final value. Okay, so this for statements orders the computer. Like suppose this variable is I equal to 1 to 10. So in that case, the value of this variable will change 1 to 10. It will be more clear by this example. Suppose we want to print Don Bosco Academy for 10 times using for loop. So CLS will clear the screen. So for how many times you want to print? 10 times. So for I equal to 1 to 10. The first time the value of I is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 10. Is it less than or equal to final value? Yes, it is less than or final value. So print Don Bosco Academy. This body of the loop is executed. Now what is the body of the loop? Between for and next, whatever we write, how many statements we write, that is called the body of the loop. So for I equal to 1, yes, I value is 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 10, yes, to print Don Bosco Academy. This next I statements sends the control back to the for statement, and it also increases the value of I by 1. Automatically it increases the value by 1, and it is called continuous loop. Okay, so I value was 1. After printing Don Bosco Academy, next statement sends the control back to I. Now I value became 2. Second time it prints Don Bosco Academy. Next I again sends the control back to for line and increases the value of I. The I value becomes now 3. The third time prints Don Bosco Academy. Again next I will send the control back to the for line, and next I will be 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After printing 10 times for this Don Bosco Academy, next I will be 11. So 11 is less than or equal to this final value. No, 11 is not neither less than 10 nor equal to 10. So condition becomes false. So it comes out of the for loop and ends the program. Now let us see this program in QBASIC. Okay, open the QBASIC, QB64. And now let us type the program. First line CLS, then for I equal to 1 to 10, print Don Bosco Academy, Don Bosco Academy. Now next I and end of the program. Now press F5, creating exe file, and see the output. Don Bosco Academy printed how many times? 10 times. So this was done by using the for loop. Okay, program is clear to everyone. Now next example is write a program to display all numbers from 1 to 10. Once again, we are discussing the ForNext loop. For statements is a looping statement. It directs the computer as to how many times the process has to be repeated, and the next statement returns the control for iteration, and loop terminates as soon as the final value is reached. So see, we want to write a program to display all natural numbers from 1 to 10. The CLS to clear the screen, for n for natural numbers, to print all the numbers 1 to 10, the n for numbers 1 to 10. The first time value of n is 1, it prints 1. Next in will send the control back to the for line and increases the value of n by 1. So next time n value becomes 2, the 2 is less than or equal to final value 10. Yes, it is less than final value 10. The print n, the n value is 2, 2 is printed. Next n will be 3, 3 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, the print 3. Next 10 will be 4, 4 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 4 is less than 10. Print 4 like this, one after another. This loop will continue for how many times? 10 times. And after printing 10, again next 10 will send the control back to the for line, and n value is 11. So 11 is less than 10. No. 11 equal to 10. No. Condition becomes false. So it comes to the end. Now let us see this program also in the QBASIC. Let us type the program. CLS for n equal to 1 to 10, print n, next n, and end of the program. Press F5. And here the output comes. It is printing all the natural number, all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? Easy? Now, next, suppose if you want to display your output horizontally, it was vertically printed, horizontally row wise, then a semicolon follows the print statement. Now in the same program, at the end of the print statement, we put a semicolon sign. If you print the semicolon sign, this output will be printed horizontally, that is the row wise. So let us check. Open QBASIC. CLS for n equal to 1 to 10, print n, and after printing n, at last put the semicolon sign. Now next n, and end of the program. Press function key F5. And now see how the output came. it came horizontally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And if you write only print, how it will come vertically. So in today's class we have done the for next loop. You please learn the definition and practice the program. Thank you.